Introduce my radio team. What's up, what's up, what's up? This is your boy, Aaron Cooper. And we're in the year Alkaline has been talking about 2016. This one is for the ladies.
You are wife. Me baby, me need you and me must bring you me wife. You're not fucky and your pussy lucky and me wife. Why if you get the wedding ring, me if you get the suffering, yeah, me wife. Me wife. Hey. Hold on then. Girl, you are good as from your band. You are be shape when you gwan. Face no make up, me can. The back of you like a second. Oh my baby, you are my number one. You got a fat pump, my love to slam. And no other girl can take your man. And oh God, she knows how to eat the John. Wife. Me baby, me need you and me must breed you me wife. You're not fucky and your pussy lucky and me wife. Why if you get the wedding ring, me if you get the suffering, yeah, me wife. Me wife. Hey. Another thing, pretty woman, you know that I care. And if you need anything, just know that I'm here. You got a concern, say my dear. Getting down, pictures along with your brassiere. You want a party, I'll take you there. She wanted to have a ball, but I gave her up here. I know you remember Brazilian dear. That's why you told me to come in your face and not in your hair. Wife. Me baby, me need you and me must breed you me wife. You're not fucky and your pussy lucky and me wife. Why if you get the wedding ring, me if you get the suffering, yeah, me wife. Me wife. Hey. Hold on then. Girl, you are good as from your band. You are be shape when you gwan. Face no make up, me can. The back of you like a second. Oh my baby, you are my number one. You got a fat pump, my love to slam. And no other girl can take your man. And oh God, she knows how to eat the jam. Wife. Me baby, me need you and me must breed you me wife. You're not fucky and your pussy lucky and me wife. Why if you get the wedding ring, me if you get the suffering, yeah, me wife. Me wife. Hey. You are wife. Me baby, me need you and me must breed you me wife. You're not fucky and your pussy lucky and me wife. Why if you get the wedding ring, me if you get the suffering, yeah, me wife. Me wife.